Hey guys, welcome back to the Parkerverse. This week, I've been checking out a super clean Android launcher, Niagara. Personally, I love minimalistic setups, and that's exactly what this launcher gives you right out of the box. But before we jump right into it, make sure to like and subscribe to get more Android tips, tricks, and customization videos. So, when you first set up the launcher, you simply select your favorite apps and these will go straight to your home screen. Everything else will be placed alphabetically within this quick access menu. Just simply tap or swipe up and down to bring up a list of all of the corresponding apps starting with that letter. Using this launcher, I have to say it's definitely perfect for one-handed use. Even while using my 6.8-inch screen of the Note 10 Plus, I'm still able to reach all of the apps with ease. So if you're using a larger phone, make sure you give this a try. Saying that, keep in mind, when it comes to customization, it's nowhere near the level of Nova Launcher. However, this is perfect for those of you looking for a quick, lightweight launcher that doesn't require a lot of setup and want to take your home screen from stock to stunning in an instant. Now within the free version, you can still apply custom icon packs, use widgets, hide individual apps, or even hide the alphabet scroll menu itself. And with the Pro version, you can take things even further with custom fonts, the ability to hide your status bar, and a handful of other extras. Personally, I love the look and feel of this launcher. However, as someone who likes total freedom of my widget placements and home screen layout, this isn't for me. But what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below your thoughts on this launcher and what launcher you recommend I should check out. If you like this video and want to see more just like this, make sure you like and subscribe to help support the channel. And make sure you check out my other Android customization videos. See you next time on Into the Parkerverse.